Hey guys, we have just finished touring this place and I've finished flying the drone. We are now heading to the next destination to take our lunch. Not much here. There's a big statue in the middle inside the temple. On my left side, you can see the picturesque view of the city, horizon of the ocean there. Aside from the spacious square, and that's it. Yeah, that's about it. That's the Temple of Leah that this place can offer. We are heading now to the restaurant, and this one, Lantaw native, to take our lunch, and it's just a few seconds away. Lantaw Native Restaurant. Up ahead, we can see the Temple of Leah there. The city, the horizon of the ocean, a little bit foggy and gloomy here right now. We are waiting for a table, so we managed to find a table. It's a cushion table here, so that's nice compared to this kind of wooden table.
Seafood, my fave. Oh my gosh, so they have shrimp, squid, buttered shrimp, what is that, tuna belly, buttered crab, adobong kangkong, chop suey. Oh my gosh guys, I'm spoiled for choice, I can't decide which one. These are the photos, by the way, of the food. It looks yummy. Oh my goodness, can't wait to eat. I'm starving. They also do some fresh flakes, which is nice. I always love anything fresh. So that's that. I'm so excited to eat here. Yes! So I'm having some prawns. Yes. Some carrot juice. My brother's got some beer. That one is watermelon. Of course, we have to have some rice. My brother is having the sisig. And this one is tuna belly. I'm so happy you're being healthy, EJ. It gives me so much joy that you're being healthy.
We are done taking our lunch and we are going to Taoist. We are going to Taoist temple, another temple for the afternoon, first afternoon tour. How many minutes going there? So it's about 15 minutes from here.
Oh my gosh, I don't have any more battery, dudes. Oh shit. Oh.